Hi guys, this is Mama Doll Boss. My name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. So I'm not going to keep you too long. This video is going to be real quick. We're just going to jump right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox or open up these Barbie Looks dolls here. I've been really excited to open them. These were not my top three. Well, I did want these two, but I wanted the Barbie Looks in the all pink, and the price of her skyrocketed because I guess she's really wanted and she's probably ordered more than the others. So I was not going to be paying that premium. It's like $40 when these were $25, which was still a little bit beyond my budget anyway. So I really wanted the one with the all pink with the braids. And so I got these, which I'm happy to get these. They're all beautiful, but I really wanted the one in pink, and then the price, she skyrocketed. So at any rate, let's just get these opened up and then we'll go from there. All right, so here they are out of the box. They each come with a certificate of authenticity here, letting you know that these are Barbie Looks dolls. And it says this certifies your Barbie Looks doll was created through collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. It's a black label doll. So each of the dolls come with this. And right off the bat, I love all of their outfits. Their outfits are amazing. I love the shoes, I love the pastels, I love the shimmers. I truly, truly love these outfits. These are adorable. So my must-have girl was her. I wanted her specifically. Now she does have some box hair here, but I love her face sculpt. She has a really beautiful face sculpt, and she has this beautiful one shoulder strap dress, and I love her heels. And here is the back of her hair. The outfit velcros in the back, and it's beautiful. I am gonna see if I can curl her hair with I'm gonna see if I could curl her hair with this. And I'm not really sure. I've never done it. I'm a little worried. I don't know if it's gonna burn out the hair or not, but I've seen somebody else do it, and I wanna see if I can fix her hair that way. And then we have here this doll. She's a petite Barbie, and I love this outfit. I absolutely love her shoes. I really wanted to get her because of her shoes, truthfully. I was like, these shoes are everything. But I do love her outfit. Her hair is super crunchy. She has a lot of product in her hair. Like, it's hard. All of the dolls are super pretty. This outfit does Velcro in the back right here. I mean, this is just so beautiful. Like, this is just a really beautiful outfit, and my nails kind of match the outfit too, which is funny. But yeah, this is just a super beautiful outfit, and it's a beautiful doll. So I'm really happy with her here, and basically we just would have to wash it out. But I mean, her hair is molded pretty well because of all of the products. So yeah. Then we have this girl right here. Her outfit is everything. These boots right here are everything. These boots are everything. And then I love this patent leather, faux leather skirt, metallic. That's cute. I love her shirt. Both of the pieces Velcro in the back. It's just beautiful. And she has a center part, and this face sculpt is really familiar. I have a doll from the other Barbie Looks the one with the shorts that was a curvy from the last wave, and then she does have box hair, so I'm gonna see if I could fix the hair on this as well. So let's just get right into seeing if I could fix this hair. So I'll be right back. So there is a level of risk. The hair is damp. Please beware. Like my hot curler is on the absolutely lowest setting that there is. Like it's like labeled here as a 1. As you can see right here, it's a 1 on the setting right here. I have it on a 1 right here. And just beware, when you're doing this, because you could burn your doll's hair out, and I do not want to be responsible for anybody messing up their doll's hair. So there is a strong risk. So just be careful. But I am going to take the hair here, and again, the hair is damp, and I've tested it, and it seems to work because I have this curl right here, and then there we go. So I'm just going to continue to put curls in her hair, and we'll go from there. All right, so here's how she looks now that I've given her like a light curl. Her hair was really damp because I did rinse the hair, but I mean, it came out cute and nothing burned out. Like I just did light bumps in the back here. And then just a light bump in the front to give her a little volume or whatnot. And it came out cute for the most part, but I was very nervous, but none of the hair burned. So just be really careful if you're going to use this, and test it on the back of the doll's head before you just burn out the front. And again, be warned, like it's really, there's a chance you could burn your doll's hair out. So I just want to make that clear. I don't, like I said, I don't want anybody to burn their doll's hair out. And then for her, I just gave her a hot water rinse and left her hair straight, or whatever. And I do think it's really, really nice. Like I said, these dolls are really pretty. I love the fashion. I was really sad that I couldn't get the one with the braids with the pink on, because she's like way overpriced now because she's wanted. And I do now want the curvy. I want all of them truthfully, but I want the guy, because at first when I saw the guy, I wasn't really impressed, but now that people have shown how to fix him up, now I really, really want him. And he's overpriced too. So this line is just really beautiful. I was really happy with these dolls right here. So they came out, like I love like me fixing her hair. She looks really, really beautiful. Like I love these dolls. I love the line. Now I have been making my own miniatures. Like I made the Victoria's Secret shopping bag, and then I also made this Chanel bag here, and then I made some Pringles, these Pringles right here. I made some candy, Reese's, a Snickers, a Butterfingers, and then also 2 M&Ms. I also made this little iPhone right here. And then of course I have the miniatures here that I've been making. So for each doll, like making them they're like a mini doll. So I made the Barbie Looks one here. So all of these I have. So I made all of these boxes right here for all 3 of my dolls. And I mean, these I made myself. I just took pictures of the boxes and then just printed them out or whatnot. They didn't have any miniatures on the back. I do like recycling that way, but they didn't. And if you guys want a printable, I'm happy to make one, but you could totally just take a picture of your doll's boxes and then print them out. That's all that I did. I didn't do anything special to them. Just take a picture of the box, the front and the back, and print it out and make a standard box form or whatever. I also did that with these books. Take a picture of of the books and then just print them out. So that's all I'm going to discuss today. Again, if you do want a printable, let me know. Drop down in the comments and I will have one set up for you guys so that way you can make your own miniatures. Also, give me your thoughts on what else you want to see, or just comment and let me know how you felt overall about the video or anything else you want to discuss. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Also share the video. Sharing is caring. And then I will see you in my next one. I hope all of you have a super fantastic rest of your day. And again, thank you again for tuning in. I can't thank you enough. Have a great day. Bye.